In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block spam emails on Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox has been filling up with unwanted messages, I'll show you the quickest, most reliable ways to stop them, whether you're using the new Outlook app or the classic version. I'll walk you through both, explain what each option does, and share a few simple tips to keep your inbox clean and safe. Let's start with the new Outlook app. Open Outlook and click the gear icon to open Settings. From there, select Mail, then choose Junk Email. This is where you control who's allowed to reach your inbox and who isn't. Under Block Senders and Domains, click Add. You can type a specific email address if there's one sender you want to stop, or you can enter a full domain, like example.com, to block every address from that domain. That's helpful if an entire organization is sending unwanted messages. When you're done, make sure you save your changes. Those settings apply across your account, so they'll follow you on the web and on other devices signed into the same account. That way, you only have to set this up once. Now, if you're on Classic Outlook, the process happens right from your inbox. First, select the spam email you've received. Go to the Home tab at the top of the window, or click the three dots to open the message menu if you prefer. Choose Junk, then click Block Sender. You can also right-click the message, hover over Junk, and choose Block Sender there. Outlook will confirm the change, and from that point on, future emails from that sender will go straight to your junk folder. It's quick, it's targeted, and it helps prevent repeat offenders from cluttering your inbox. A couple of quick pointers to keep everything running smoothly. Adding a domain in the new Outlook app is powerful, but it's broad, so only use it when you truly want to block everything from that domain. Check your junk folder occasionally, especially for the first few days after making changes, just in case a legitimate message ends up there by mistake. If you're unsure whether something is spam or a phishing attempt, don't click links or download attachments. Blocking the sender is the safer move. That's it. Thanks for watching.